Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to go to the downloads directory. So first of all, what is the downloads directory in Windows? So every time you download something from the internet, that is stored in your downloads folder or the downloads directory. Now let's have a look at the implementation. So first of all, we are going to use the file explorer shortcut, that is the Windows key plus E. Then we will click on the downloads from the left sidebar. Now let's get started. So we are here at my desktop, so I will have to click on the Windows key and the plus the E. So Windows plus E, and now the file explorer is open and I will have to click on downloads from the left sidebar. So downloads. So these are everything, the files, folders and the PDF files or the folders or softwares, everything that I have downloaded in my computer. So it is all in my downloads folder. So this is how you open the downloads folder in Windows. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to open the downloads directory in Windows. So thank you for watching.